Do you ever feel like you're stuck on a hamster wheel? Work, chores, errands. It's a never-ending cycle, right? Many people hear the word Sabbath and think of rigid rules and restrictions. But what if I told you it's not about bondage, but about breaking free? Think about it. The world system demands constant productivity, endless hustle. It tells us our value is tied to what we produce. The Sabbath is a radical act of defiance against that system. It's a weekly declaration of independence. It's a day gifted to us to stop, to rest, to reconnect with ourselves, our loved ones, and our Creator. It's not about a list of don'ts, but a powerful do. Rest and be restored. It's freedom from the pressure to perform. It's permission to just be. This isn't bondage. It's a taste of true liberation. If this idea resonates with you, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.